Good day guys, welcome to Looking Space once again. So Seed just dropped an update today. So as you can see, big news, Seed Farm, the moment you have been waiting for is here. Mark your calendar, set your alarms and spread the word. The listing date is locked in. 1st of April, Seed listing. Seed BS day is just around the corner. The countdown starts now. Are you ready? So the seed list is remaining 10 days. So they left us with a task of connecting our SUI wallet. So this video is concerning the task. Watch the video to the end so that you can connect your SUI wallet to Seed AIRDROP before the listing commences. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video for more crypto updates. So you're going to prompt you to allow your location, then you allow, then you click on this AIRDROP icon. Then once you click on AIRDROP, you click on check your AIRDROP. As you can see, connect SUI wallet, but just follow the steps. Then you click on check your AIRDROP, then you click on your dashboard. You can either connect your SUI wallet through going to your dashboard in their website or click here. Let's just click connect your SUI wallet. So once you click on connect your SUI wallet, it's going to take you to their website. So this is Seed website. Then go ahead and connect your Telegram. Then as you can see this option, connect SUI wallet. Then first of all, you have to download Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser. If Kiwi browser is not your Play Store, you go to this app called APK Pure. As you can see, this app APK Pure. Once you download the app from Chrome browser, then you install it, then download Kiwi browser there, or you can go ahead and download Mrs. browser on Play Store. So once you download the Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser on Play Store, you install it. First thing is to copy this Seed website link. Click here, then click copy the Seed website link. Then you head into your Kiwi browser. Once you click on this, it's going to prompt you to log into your Telegram. Then head back to the Kiwi browser. And just go one step backwards. Then this is your dashboard. So this is your Seed dashboard. So you are going to see connect SUI wallet on the dashboard. Then click on connect SUI wallet. Alright, let's go. So you click on install wallet extension. Once this loads, you're going to see something like this. As you can see, add. And once you click on add the group, you're going to click on OK. Then you wait for the SUI wallet to add automatically. The option is going to change with two options to create a new. You can see import from passphrase or private key. Subscribe, share the video, put down your comments and hit down the notification bell. Stay tuned for more crypto updates. We head to our SUI confirm. Head into and confirm the connection. Okay, as you can see, connect. Once you click on this is guys, this is how to link your SUI wallet. See you on the next one. So to confirm that our wallet has been connected, we are going to head back to our